Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will cut DC motor, this normal DC motor which you get it in a normal car, and this electric starter, this is Philips starter. I will cut them and I will show it to you that what is exactly inside these two things. So first, without wasting our time, let's get started. Of this DC motor, so now I need to break it. Need to wait. Okay, so after breaking it, I am getting here. This is a copper radiator. It is a copper radiator which mainly un- which mainly catches mini bolts and other things. This is the copper radiator, and this is the metallic case of the DC motor. You can see this is the plastic at the bottom, and this is a switch like thing of a DC motor, and some oil things are stuck on my hand. Now I will cut this and I will show it to you how much copper do I get it from this. So here I have cut it, and you can see here these types of metallic strips are here which pass through the rod and help it to rotate like this rotate, and these are obviously the copper wires, and these are there there are many motors in this DC motor which help it to rotate easily with using this copper wire. It took me a lot of time to break this. This rotates like this, rotates. So this is what I have got it from a DC motor. I have shown it to you. So now I will open this starter and I will show it to you what is exactly inside the starter. Breaking a starter, I have got here some light bulb like thing. It has a taping outside. I am unable to open it, and this is a cute and small and beautiful tungsten bulb which is really interesting and which is really nice series. It and this is the main switchboard. Inside is mainly hollow. It has nothing, and since it is of Philips, it has these two main things, main connectors, and mainly this light bulb helps it to glow. And this is a metallic strip, bimetallic strip. It is found here. These two remains inside this starter, inside this small bulb, huge bulb, to help it to light. So there is nothing more in this starter. I thought that it would be more things I can get it from a starter, but you can see here it is nothing less than this. So this is for today. It is so this is for today, and this is a light bulb. It is not so special. So if you have enjoyed the video, and if you have liked it, and if you have seen and if you have learned anything from this video, then please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel to Drishan's experiments. And for this cute bulb, give it a 200 likes. Till then, take care. Bye.